Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how we can create Google Sheets from blank canvas to functional spreadsheet on Google Sheets mobile phone. So here I have opened my Google Sheets application on my phone, and if you want to create Google Sheets, we can click on this plus button. Then you can select either you want to use template from Google Sheets or you want to create a new spreadsheet. And if you want to use the template from the Google Sheet, you just need to click on choose template right here, and then there will be a couple of templates that you can use. There is to-do list, annual calendar, schedule, monthly budget, and you can choose it as you need. And if you want to create blank spreadsheet, you just need to click on this plus button, then click on new spreadsheet right here. Then the new spreadsheet will be created. Okay, and I'm going to fill in a light theme. Sorry. Okay, and we can start editing this spreadsheet. We can make a table on the spreadsheet. If you want to make a table, you just need to select the cell. You can select the cell that you want to make it as table like this. Then you just need to click on border button. Then select the border that you want to use. And for example, I'm going to select this one. Okay, and we can start editing this table. We can put tags on this table. So for example, I'm going to put tags on the cell. So just tap on the cell like this. Then we can enter tags or formula like this. Okay. Sorry. Okay, and if you want to put fill color, you just need to select the cells that you want to put fill color. And for example, I'm going to put fill color on the first row. Then just select the first row. And then we can click on this button, then select the fill color that we like, and I'm going to select this one, this green color. Okay guys, and that's how we can create Google Sheets from blank canvas to functional spreadsheet. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.